Hey everyone, I'm John with Roadkill Incorporated, and I'm a refurbisher and retro collector. Most people are aware of activation lock when it comes to iPads and iPhones. It's a security mechanism that you just can't get past, and it causes electronics recyclers to scrap millions of perfectly good devices. But what most people don't know is that as of 2018, MacBooks and most all Apple products are able to be activation locked as well. So as you see here, this is a 2020 M1 MacBook, only a couple years old, and it's bricked, basically just scrap, and there's no solution other than to use it for parts. Due to overly strict data destruction requirements, recyclers that receive thousands of laptops from institutions either scrap these locked machines entirely or rip out the logic boards, like you see on these examples here. Nearly new computers with the boards ripped out. Nice, isn't it? The problem is that institutions dump their inventory to recyclers, and they often don't even bother to log them out first, so they're locked. It's either apathy or negligence or an expectation that they will be destroyed. Who knows? It doesn't really matter. The fact is that Activation Lock produces this, and the product is not acceptable. They're not stolen, yet no recycler I'm aware of that has ever gone to Apple with 100 or 1,000 locked machines has had success getting them unlocked, and the companies involved don't return phone calls. This machine and most like it has been wiped and restored, yet it's still locked. A lot of people think this is about data security, but it's really not even a data security issue. And using these machines for parts is not even a great option because swapped parts with serials that don't match cause features such as True Tone and Touch ID to fail, so the result is a device you can't sell as fully functional, which is really not good news if you have 1,000 of them. People make different arguments about activation lock, but the essential truth is this. When all the people and all the institutions are getting it wrong and millions of perfectly good legitimate devices are scrapped behind the scenes, you can't blame all the people and all the institutions. And it's self-evident that the design of the system is the problem. But only Apple can change that because they have the keys. It doesn't take much imagination to find a solution. Say you have a locked MacBook or 100, you log into the Apple website, provide the serial, and if Apple's investigation into the vast archives of information they have doesn't reveal any red flags for 30 days, they auto-unlock the device. And simultaneously, if your device is stolen, you report it to Apple, and that report keeps them from approving unlocked requests. It's not rocket science, it's pretty simple. Activation lock has been killing good electronics for many years now, so are we going to continue to watch millions of perfectly good devices die for no reason? Or are we going to care enough finally to do something about this? Thanks for listening.